Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're unboxing the Witch's Bounty box for May 2022. Oh my goodness. The Star Seed. Falling Star. Oops. We've got crystal in here. All right, let's see what we got. Oops. We got like a little meteorite or something. Pretty. So my camera makes it look lighter than it is. To me it looks navy blue, but it does look quite a bit lighter on screen for some reason. Then we have a black cord. We have a shooting star incense, and it smells interesting. Put this aside. And then we have wishing oil, which makes perfect sense with the wishing star. With a shooting star, I mean. Smells interesting. The smells are really interesting this month. I gotta think about that. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, interesting. Wow. Let's see what it says. White topaz, Campo de Cielo meteorite, and of course silver. That's beautiful, guys. Wow, let's read about this. It is not often that we can touch and feel the energies of the cosmos. Within these energies, we find further purpose and unwavering commitment. It can be very easy to feel as if there are too many tasks to complete, which in turn can paralyze us and stop us from completing any at all. This is found within a lack of inspiration, motivation, or an understanding of the spiritual essence that accompanies the action we take, and every day, whether exciting or mundane. We take each and every day, whether exciting or mundane. Within this powerful and very thrilling collection, we provide the tools necessary to connect you with your reality on a deeper level of perception and understanding. These items will be sure to recharge and stimulate your energy sources, providing you with sacred resources to find inspiration and creativity. So, Campo de Cielo meteorite with white topaz crescent moon pendant. It's a very specific meteorite found within Cacho and Santiago del Estero, province of Argentina. Craters are found at this location are estimated to be 5,000 years old and are the source of this very iron meteorite. Translates to the field of heaven. Just trying to get it. In the bale, you find a white topaz, clarity to your intentions. You find the meteorite placed within the symbol of the moon, which includes a variety of stars. Very cool. Wow. Very, very cool. Interesting. Never seen anything like it, but I like it a lot. Magical Anointing Wishing Oil. It is ginger, fir needle, and white tea, as well as anise seed and dandelion root. Shooting Star Ritual Incense Sticks. Celestial Inspiration Hand-Rolled Candle. And meteorite. That's what I got. Falling Star Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. This is beautiful and original, unique, different. I really like it. I really like the pendant. It's quite lovely, and I'm really feeling it. So one of my favorite things to do for my birthday every year is that we have a the Perseids usually peak on my birthday, on or around my birthday, you know, somewhere between the 10th and the 12th of August. And one of my favorite things in the whole world to do is my husband either A, will camp, or B, my husband will load up a bed in the back of the truck, and we'll go out to a place where there's less light pollution, and we will watch the shooting stars. And it's definitely one of my absolute favorite things in the whole world. So it feels very personal to me, especially with my birthday coming up so soon. I'm really vibing with it. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Hallowed Box. I'm very excited about it. And there'll be links in the description below so you can check it out as well. Thank you.